out, see the rapping, slow pumping, slow humping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, slow humping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, slow humping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, slow humping, and no hacking, and now look who creeping, look who crawling, still ballin' in the mix. It's that 6'6" long slim nigga sticking your chick, pulling tricks, looking slick at all times when I'm flipping. Bar sipping, car dipping, Grant Wood grain gripping, still tipping on, slow rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, slow blowing on that endo, GameCube, Nintendo, 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window. These niggas don't understand me, cause I'm boss hog on candy. Top down at Maxis with a big Glock 9 handy. Pieced up, creased up, stand dressed to impress. Big boss bill buckle under my Michelin S. Oh, Gucci shades up on my braids when I escalade. When I'm riding spree wheel sliding like an escapade. I got it made, the big boss of the North. Ain't changed, I still represent Swisher House. Tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, and
Fofos, I'm tipping, wood grain, I'm gripping, catch me line switching with the paint dripping. Turn your neck and your day ain't missing. Me and Slim, we ain't tripping. I'm figure flipping and syrup sipping like do or die. I'm pole pimping. Car stop, rims keep spinning. I'm flipping drop with invisible tops. Hoes bop with my drop, step out. I'm shaking the block with 418s. Candy green with 11 screens. My gasoline always supreme. Got Dodo the brand with a pan of lean. It tastes grinding to be a king. It tastes grinding to be a king.
tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, and no hacking, slow tipping out, still tipping out, see the rapping, slow pumping, and no hacking, and no
Some of the trap with licks, some of the trap with vacant. Junior say I'll bring the bay, I'll bring the bay out. Nigga want trap, we bring that K, I'll let the spray now. They gon' walk right in that pot, we beat it up back, y'all. Invade your pop, we stay on top, ain't nobody safe now. Go, 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 go. From the north to the mall, 500 K got the host. Go, 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 go. You never too knows. Pack my bags and go, go, go.
gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Crody to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If he don't say it direct, could give a fuck. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going as planned. I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. First she went back to her man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the wild where it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tins. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Tyson, it's a beachfront. Then she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tanning by the pool and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo tryna leave our mark and piece the east up. Ain't nobody making too much money on the beef stuff. But I beef a rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, I love my Crody to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If he don't say it direct, give a fuck.
Tastemaker, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Tinashe Hair, and I am reviewing this gorgeous chocolate brown unit. I love chocolate brown on chocolate girls. I just feel like it complements us so well, and I paired it with like this cute little chocolate bodysuit, which I love. Well, it's not a bodysuit, it's a jumpsuit, but yeah. Anyways, I went ahead and did like this really cool zigzag part. I did a zigzag part tutorial before, but I did it on like a natural black unit, but I haven't done it on something like this. So I was like, you know, that would be really cute instead of just doing like a basic middle part. And to get my part like more defined, I did add concealer to it with a angled eyeliner brush. It just has it looking more defined, because I feel like before you could kind of see the parts, but this helps it stand out a whole lot more, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I added just like some simple baby hairs here, but the rest of it is very natural looking, so you could put your hair behind your ear if you want to. One thing that I am really liking about this unit right now is the lace. Like a couple of my units lately, the lace hasn't been the best, I'm not gonna lie, because like I feel like it's just been showing a little bit too much, but today it like melted so perfectly, and I did customize this unit. I also want to let you guys know that I did not bleach the knots in this unit. The only thing that I did was wash the unit and then pluck the hairline, and this is how it's looking. Okay, so you don't have to bleach your knots on here. It still looks very natural, as you guys can see all the way around. Same thing on this side, still looks very natural. Absolutely love it, because let's be real, some straight hair is like just okay, but this one is like really nice. Like I like the luster it has to it. It looks very healthy. This unit is a 24-inch unit. This is where it's hitting me in the front. I really do like the length to this one, and a lot of times like 24-inch units look a lot longer on me than they probably would most people, just because I am like really short. Yeah, all in all, I really do like this unit. As far as the density on this one, I want to say that this is like your standard density, possibly like 150% density. I don't feel like it's anything thicker than that. I would actually be very surprised if it was anything thicker than that, and I'm not mad at it, but you definitely can go thicker if you want to, but just keep in mind, the thicker the unit, the more you're gonna have to pluck, because the hairline is gonna be a lot more dense. So don't go too crazy. Like don't go crazy and get like a 250% density unit or like 200% density, because you're going to have to pluck your butt off, okay? And it's gonna take a very long time to do. So I would definitely offer like 180% density, and a lot of these units these days actually come like pre-plucked. Some of them don't, but some of them do, and that definitely helps out a lot as well. But let's get into some of the cons, because I've been talking about how amazing this unit is, and yes, I do really like the unit, but I do want to point something out that I personally had an issue with when it came to this unit, and that is the little short pieces in the frontal. The frontal had a lot of pieces that were really short. I would say maybe about like 3 to 4 inches, and it was like all up in here, and I had to use a wax stick and a hot comb to like get all of those hairs to lay down. But I showed you guys like earlier in the video like what that part looked like, and there were just a bunch of them. I thought it was just gonna be like in the perimeter, because you know sometimes they like try to give you those pre-made baby hairs, but that wasn't the case with this unit. This unit had the little short pieces all throughout, and I did not like that, so I did have to put an excessive amount of like wax on the top. Like I'm not having an issue right now. I was able to get them to lay down. As you guys can see, you don't see any flyaways whatsoever, but I did want to let you guys know about that. When you get this unit, that is something that you can possibly expect. Let's get into the parting space though. So the parting space on this one is just like your typical horseshoe type of lace frontal unit. So the tracks on the side, they start right about here, but you can barely tell, which I actually like, you know. I like that a lot. So the tracks do start here on the side, so you get about 1 inch on the side. And then like, you know, like usual, majority of your parting space is gonna be in the top portion here. And the tracks start back here. You see? So I'm not mad about it. You can definitely still do a half up, half down. You can do 2 ponytails. You can still do a side part with this unit as well. I really do like this unit though, you guys. I think it looks very good on me. I absolutely love it. And even like my eyebrows go really good with this. Like, it's a no-brainer though. I've definitely done this color before and I always love it on me, and I highly suggest it to anyone who is of like a deeper skin tone. You should really try it out, and I promise you, you're gonna get a lot of compliments on it. People are definitely gonna be telling you like, girl, that color is like so perfect on you, because that's all I hear when I wear a unit like this. So if you're interested on getting your hands on one and you want to try it out yourself, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.